Burns.
What's up?
So this looks like it's the second set of mufflers that have came for Van's bird. The first set, they shipped them in these boxes separately, plain, straight out,
Just messed
and
up.
they were messed up. I have pictures. I'll put them in here just to show it. Are these? Pull those out. Are they F or not? Because the other ones are already cocked.
Oh, that looks good.
That looks good. That one's nice.
Cool.
The other ones were.
It had a big old. It was all
That was all
right
crushed.
there.
Yeah.
This one.
Carefully set that. Because they are specific. One's left and one's right.
Oh yeah.
They are Pacific.
Pacifico.
Drives me nuts
sorry.
when people say that.
Pacific.
Yeah.
Pacifico.
This is a very Pacific item. No, specific. I just want to slap people.
Hey, Box. Come on.
Open your box, Daddy.
Don't talk to me like that.
Yes, I will.
Only Scotty's allowed to talk to me that way.
That's no fair. Oh. Oh.
Wow.
Flip that over. I gotta take pictures of that. Are you fucking serious, Bird Nest? Yes, because I'm calling you out this time. Okay, you can't get me two mufflers that aren't fucked up.
Because this box is not beat up. The other box was beat up, and the other one's nice.
Yeah. So I am going to get a hold of what's her name at Bird Nest. Wow. Again, not packed properly. There was what? A little bit of air in there, air thingies, and that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is ridiculous. This is a car that's done very nicely. This isn't going on there. Okay, and I emailed her Monday because she never gave me a tracking number. And these, what day did these show up? Probably Monday. This is Wednesday morning. I just found out the box is here, so we just opened it. But and as usual, it was shipped. Was it shipped FedEx or UPS?
UPS.
Surprise! Ben works for UPS, but these need to go back. This is
Well, that one's good.
They're both going back. They're gonna send me they're gonna keep doing it until they get it fucking right. Because I'm getting tired of this. Okay. So Van, this is the second set of mufflers for your car. Other way. You can see how the box is put up. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Yeah, so Van, this is the second set. Not happy.